Carrot juice can be a refreshing and effective way to cleanse your kidneys. By incorporating carrot juice into your diet along with other healthy habits, you can support kidney health and promote detoxification. Here's how to cleanse your kidneys using carrot juice. 1. Hydration. Start your day by drinking a glass of warm water with lemon juice. This helps hydrate your body and prepares your kidneys for the cleansing process. 2. Incorporate carrot juice. Drink freshly and squeezed carrot juice throughout the day. Carrots are rich in antioxidants and nutrients that can help flush toxins from your kidneys and promote overall kidney health. 3. Stay hydrated. In addition to carrot juice, drink plenty of water throughout the day. Proper hydration is essential for kidney function and helps flush out toxins from your body. 4. Avoid sodium and processed foods. Reduce your intake of sodium and processed foods, as they can put strain on your kidneys. Instead, focus on consuming whole, nutrient-rich foods that support kidney health. 5. Include kidney-friendly foods. Incorporate foods that are known to support kidney health into your diet, such as leafy greens, berries, garlic, and ginger. These foods can help promote detoxification and support overall kidney function. 6. Limit alcohol and caffeine. Reduce your consumption of alcohol and caffeine, as they can dehydrate your body and put strain on your kidneys. Opt for herbal teas and water instead to support kidney health. 7. Consult a healthcare professional. If you have existing kidney issues or are unsure about making dietary changes, consult with a healthcare professional before starting any cleansing regimen. Conclusion: by incorporating carrot juice into your diet along with other healthy habits, you can effectively cleanse your kidneys and promote overall kidney health. Remember to stay hydrated, eat a balanced diet, and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Cheers to kidney health with carrot juice. Thank you for watching and keep safe, everyone.